Hi Kinds, welcome back to our channel. It's a Sunday morning and I have been waiting for this Sunday for the past many months. It's going to be a very special day hopefully, and we thought we'll take you along for a nice little vlog today. So we've just gotten up. I will be making my breakfast and then I will be telling you more about what's the plan for today. So if I were to ask you, how would you describe your perfect weekend? What time would you get up? What do you want to do in that day? I would be really curious to see what your responses would be. But if somebody would have asked me this question, that how would your perfect weekend be? This day could potentially be that day. So my answer would be that I would get up really early morning, have my breakfast, which I'm doing right now, and then go to play a sport. And today, after I have my breakfast, both Kriti and I will be going to a cricket ground where I am playing cricket with my team, and we are part of a league. We will be playing matches over the coming summer, and I am really excited for it. Hope we win today, but nonetheless, I'm excited to play again in Canada. We have been practicing for a while now, so hopefully we have a good rhythm, but we are all coming together as a team for the first time. So it's a new feeling, and I haven't played professional cricket ever. Like, I've only represented my college and my university, but nothing beyond that. I hope it goes well today, but I'm really excited for today. And we will also be having some of our friends joining for the match to cheer me and the team. So yeah, I was really looking forward to this morning. I couldn't sleep beyond 6 o'clock in the morning. I was just tossing and turning in the bed, hoping that it is a reasonable hour for me to get up. Let's finish making my breakfast. The breakfast is the same for me every day. Kriti also has the same breakfast. It's a yogurt parfait, which is like rolled oats with fruits and protein powder and dry fruits and curd on the top. I have been having this same breakfast for 6-7 years now, and I don't get bored of it as well. Adding some cranberries, I've added a banana, we'll add some apples or whatever dry fruits we have. So I'm primarily a bowler, but also a mid-table batsman. So I hope I don't get the chance to bat, because I would be going in much lower down the order, and I hope our team does a good job, like the openers do a really good job. But in terms of bowling, would be bowling definitely today. Hopefully the first or the second over as well. So let me just make up my breakfast and then we'll see you when we get ready for the match. So we've come to our friend's place to pick them up, and after that we'll just be going to the ground. The match will start in like 1.5 hours, so we are still on time.
See our cat. Hi. छुप जाएगा बाद में लेंगे.
Hello.
We are here to support Shri.
Yes, and we are here to give water to Shri, electrolytes, glucose, all of that.
And motivation.
So Zion will be out of his bag,
And
no?
Zion.
Yes, but
Okay. Can you show his cap and his...
Yeah.
Well, Zion has come fully prepped with his cap, and it's a
his-
sunny day, so his shades.
Hello. Look at his little hat.
Has come to wish Shri good luck.
Oh no. Swag cat. Oh yes, he's looking at the camera. Oh my god. So we are in the field and these guys are having their team meeting like I showed you. And let me show you what the cat is doing. So as you can see, he's chilling in the sun and watching cricket.
This is happening. Our captain and both the captains will go, and then we'll see whether we are batting first or bowling first. If we bowl first, I'll be bowling the second over, and if we bat, I'll be going like 4th and 5th down. So hopefully we win the toss and we bat first. and we put a good score on the board. But it's good. How are you feeling, Riddhi?
Yeah, I'm excited to see the match. I was seeing you train and have a team discussion.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's nice. It's sunny and nice.
Yeah, the
out
weather
here.
is really good. Yeah.
So the match is starting soon, but some of the gears that I got were cheaper in India. So instead of buying it from Canada, I used this app called Panda Remit, and through that I was able to transfer money to the seller within just a few hours. If you want to send money to your loved ones in India or in any of the 200 plus countries at a speed which is faster than Shoaib Akhtar's bowling and for a price of a coffee, try Panda Remit. They're also the sponsors of this video. Panda Remit offers one of the most attractive exchange rates in the market with zero transfer fee for the first time. If you use the coupon which is flashing below, you will also get an additional $5 cash coupon. It's extremely simple to use the Panda Remit app. Simply enter your information and the receiver's information in the app, which you can download from Apple Play Store or Google Play Store. In India, you can also transfer money via UPI, and they also have a live chat support in case you ever get stuck, and they are there to answer all of your questions. Once you use the app, you can also invite your friends and refer them for Panda Remit, and if they also use the app, both of you will get $30 each. So try Panda Remit the next time you want to send money internationally at a cheap rate and with no hidden charges. Use our coupon code below for an additional $5 cash reward. Now let me go back to the match.
Looking for a coin. India में कैसे करते थे toss?
इंडिया में ना वो नेकलेस का रैपर हुआ करता था, उसको उछाल लेते थे. गोल्डन साइड लैंड हुआ तो हेड और सिल्वर साइड लैंड हुआ तो टेल.
तो
प्लेन लिखा हुआ.
Yeah. दिलबाग का रैपर. So our captain is running with the toss coin.
बहुत बढ़िया यार श्रेय.
Getting ready. I'm going one down.
What's the score?
20 overs, 162. We have to make 163.
A few moments later.
We didn't intend to, but the day was made very adventurous by Zion, Natasha's cat. So we were sitting on that side of the fence watching the match, and he chose to run away, and there is a burrow here. He's gone in the burrow, and we have called animal rescue to help with the rescue, and they have been helping us a lot. So hopefully we'll find him really soon, but this is the match that's going on.
Carrier might be too much. Just try to.
So you put this thing in and put a camera on top of it?
No, that's just the leash.
Oh, okay.
I've just been putting my phone in.
Oh, okay. I thought you put some...
No, I don't have anything like that. I wish I did.
So this is the burrow, and it opens on that side. We at least can see it, but the cat is somewhere in the middle. The rescue officer is there, and she's trying her best to get the cat out.
He's stuck, I guess. Can you touch him? I can.
Yeah, I think he's holding him.
Here, it's because of the fact I can keep on holding him until you're here.
You
It's
can't
because
you can't pull up?
No, because I think he's actually stuck. Okay, because I can pull him.
Try a little force, Azim.
Right?
हाँ हाँ आप करना.
Behind the ears, just pull as hard as you can. You've got him like behind the head.
I was stuck.
You stuck?
Yeah.
He got it. Oh.
Zion.
Wait. Hold.
Not leave him even if he bites me.
Thank you so much for your help.
We couldn't have done it without you. There is no chance.
We
No
troubled you on a
chance in
Sunday,
hell.
but thanks a lot for coming. So, guys, we came back home after the match and some excitement and stress, a lot of stress. So,
Yeah.
on the match front, we lost the match. It was a good day and a lot of learning for our team. It was the first time that we were playing on a match outside the nets, and it's a new team, so there will be a lot of learning. But overall, like, the weather was good. We lost quite substantially. They made like 162. Overall, I think we made like 110. So we lost by about 50 runs or something. While I was playing, there was something that was happening on the side, and Kriti will provide some perspective on that.
So yeah, first of all, I want to share that it was my first time seeing a cricket match like this. I used to play as a child with my brother and father and my cousins, but I never saw like a match, so it was really amazing. I was cheering for him. There was some level of sledging going on, which was a friendly one, which we were all enjoying. We were
Yeah.
cheering for our team and they were doing the same for theirs. But it was such a fun experience. The weather was nice. You would have seen by now we took a cat with us. It's our friend's cat. His name is Zion, and it was his first time outside. He was enjoying the grass. There are some videos of him and he was enjoying everything. He is a rescue cat, so I think he got scared when the cheering and the sledging was going on. So as soon as we cheered because these guys took a wicket, he ran. He ran from my friend's lap and he went near a sort of like a fence and a tree area. So there was a huge tree, fence, and some space underneath. There was a burrow there. So like I said, he was enjoying the grass throughout the day, but he never went to that side. And unfortunately, because he got startled, he went all the way near that burrow and he went inside the burrow. So he was hiding there.
And then for the next like 2 hours,
3 hours.
Yeah, these guys tried to call 911 rescue services, and most of them said no, that they will not come because it's a pet cat and it's our responsibility.
Yeah.
We were a bit baffled because like we know that he's there, but we can't reach him because the burrow was so long and it had 2 exits, so it was really hard to figure out, or if there was like a tunnel underneath, we didn't know.
Yeah, at the moment we thought that he must have gone somewhere underground because
Yeah.
we weren't sure where the burrow leads to or it has any other openings. So we called 911, we called the Toronto rescue team, we called the wildlife emergency rescue team, we called animal rescue, and so many numbers. There were 3 of us. Another friend also joined the couple. They were trying to find him. My friend whose the owner of the cat was also trying to find the cat, and then it was me, and it took us 4 hours.
Then finally somebody came, I think from Toronto City Rescue, and they sent a girl.
Volunteer.
And yeah, she came with some tools. Like she had a big stick and she started looking for it. After like 1.5 hours, she saw the cat for the first time, and then we were relieved that at least he's still there.
Yeah.
And then she started poking from the other side, and my friend was pulling it from this side.
Yeah, he was actually hiding in a house of a groundhog, and the groundhog also came to visit his home, but the cat was hiding there, so he got scared and we sort of shooed him away, because if he would have come, he would have attacked this cat. So it was like such a chaotic, stressful and weird sort of a situation that none of us were ever in. And finally she used the stick, she poked him from behind so that he can come out and gets irritated, and finally you would see in the video the owner of the cat just went in and sort of pulled him out and finally he was
like
out.
a baby's delivered.
Yeah,
Like
actually he actually pulled him out like a baby's delivered, or when life comes into this world, and he just came, hugged him, and then we put him in his carriage. Now he's home. But we were scared, we were like stressed, and it was not how we planned our Sunday to be. All of us girls were planning to go in a cafe, have some food, just chit chat and relax, but this was not at all relaxing.
So in the morning I was saying how my perfect day kind of
I hope this will be my perfect day.
No.
It wasn't a perfect day, but
Perfect
it was
day.
a day worth remembering for
It
sure.
ended with a happy ending, I
Yeah.
would say. We were all scared that we might have to spend the night there, or the owners have to stay there, or our friends have to stay there to figure out what happens with the cat, and we
Yeah.
weren't leaving them. We were all scared and worried, because when you have a pet, you just get attached to them,
Yeah.
like how we are attached to our fish.
And we met 2 of our subscribers also on the ground,
Yeah.
so it was a good feeling.
So a special
Yeah.
shout out. Thank you so much, and it was so nice to meet you, and thank you for watching our videos.
So this is the end of the video. Hopefully our team will win the coming matches. But let us know how you liked this video. It was a fun day for us. Hopefully you enjoyed watching it. But if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please press the subscribe button and also the bell icon. It will mean a lot. And yeah, that's it. We
That's
will
it.
see you in the next video. Take
Thank
care.
you.
Bye.
Bye bye.